everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. Please subscribe to the YouTube page that you are watching currently, Carolina Trailer Sales. We greatly appreciate it. All right, so this is a 2002 Logan 4-horse. This is a steel trailer, but let me just tell you, this is an 02. It is in excellent shape. Probably one of the nicest steel 4-horse trailers I've ever had. So 4-horse slant dressing room, 7 wide, 7 tall. It does have the plexi on the back side that can be removed. I'm fighting against the wind and a pressure washer today, guys, so I'm super sorry about the noise. All right, so I'm gonna just kind of spin around. It's got full running boards that are gravel guarded. It's got the gravel guard underneath the nose, spare tire. Kind of come through here. It'll be better sound over here. All right, so full escape door. They have put bars in on their own and quite frankly did a great job. So it does have bars. They have put the screens as well. Big drop down windows with bars, and the first 3 have the screens installed. The sun's not in my favor today either. White in color, and it has really, honestly, I haven't seen really any rust on it at all. If I didn't tell you it was steel, you would think it was an aluminum trailer. I mean, it is in excellent shape. It's not a real heavy trailer. I've got that GVWR sticker that will be in the pictures. It's called a Logan Performer 20X, so that is the actual name. So 3 drop-down windows, slider on the escape door. It does have a collapsible rear tack. And the saddle rack does spin out. Rear bumpers. It's a wood floor, so pressure treated wood floor. It's in great shape. It does have mats. It does have roof vents. Padding on the dividers. And as you can see, the trailer horse box is in excellent shape. There's a little bit of scuffing here up against this wall. Minimal. Spinning back around. As you can see, the trailer is immaculate shape. If you need to haul 4, this would be a great trailer. Alright, the only thing I'm going to note, the padding. Of course, I'm going to try to do this with you on the video. So the padding on a few of the dividers is torn. You'll see a little bit of scuffing here on the wall. They must have had a par. Padding on this one is a little torn. Sorry, I'm juggling this camera. Padding on this one is a little torn. So I'm gonna say, you know, the padding is torn a little bit. It's not really torn on this last one. Looks like they just cut it off. So just full disclosure, there is some padding issues, but nothing real concerning. Interestingly enough, you can actually change the dividers 1, 2, or 3. So if you wanted to make the stall smaller or wider, never really seen that. That's a pretty neat option. The dividers all clip back. So if you want to clip them back and haul other things, you can do that as well. Let me show you the dressing room. So they put on the door one of the organizers, which is nice to have. Has that full running board to step up. Window in the door. So they have insulated this dressing room. It's actually done quite nice. It's fully lined and insulated. It does have a water tank in the corner. Huge. I love the blanket bars. I'm a fan. Big, huge blanket bars, 2 of them. A few bridle hooks here above. Looks like it's got a clothes bar up there. It does have the a few feed sacks that if you wanted to use those in the trailer, you could. So as you can see, it is fully insulated, carpeted deck, no leaks, no issues, no smells. It's a super nice, solid 4-horse trailer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just speak in here while I'm in here. 2002 Logan Premiere 20X 4-horse. It is Galva steel in excellent shape. Can't really make any huge complaints about this trailer. Solid, super nice trailer. All right, guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. Please click and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.